اگه میخوای با روزی 5 دقیقه فیلم نگاه کردن، انگلیسی رو مثل زبان مادری صحبت کنی، با واژه نو همراه شو. پارک and playground.
A playground is an outdoor place. We play and have fun at a playground. They are great places for exercise. What do you do at a playground?
Hi, welcome. Hi, Max.
Hello, Anna. I have our question for today.
Great. What do you do at a playground? I can do lots of things at a playground.
But Anna, playgrounds are for kids.
That is true, but everyone can have fun at a playground.
My favorite playground has a skateboard park.
At the playground, I hang upside down from the monkey bars.
My favorite playground has a soccer field.
Listen for words like around, under, up, through, and between. Also listen for words ending in ed.
Max, Daisy, we are at the playground. We are ready to play. Max and Daisy are watching from home. Felix, you read the actions.
First, walk around the dragonfly. Second, roll under the slide. Third, climb up the tree. Fourth, crawl through a log. And fifth, cross the finish line between the trees. On your mark, get set, go!
Anna is walking around the dragonfly. She is rolling under the slide. Now she is climbing up the tree. She is crawling through a log.
Felix, I think I'm stuck. I did it!
Good job, Mom. But you missed one.
What?
Yep.
No! I walked, climbed, rolled, crawled. Oh, wait, that is only 4. Oh, I forgot to cross the finish line between those 2 trees.
She crossed the finish line.